Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Google Pixel 8 Pro. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Firefox and click search and now click install. Now you can click open. And here you can set your Firefox browser as your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to quickly switch between devices, or you can click not now. And here you can turn on notifications for this app, or you can click not now. And that's it, now your Firefox browser is all set up. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.